What do attorneys actually charge for handling your disability case, and what costs are involved? Today, I'm going to talk with you about what attorneys typically charge for handling your disability case, and in a second video in this series, I'm going to talk with you about what costs are involved. Since I'm going to break this down into two videos, you can follow the link below to get to video number 2. My name is Michael Sullivan. I'm an attorney licensed in Kentucky. It's very fulfilling to see people that suddenly they can get a place to stay, suddenly they can buy food. That's where the magic is. The question always comes, how can you help me? How do we get started? What do we need to do to make a difference today? Consider this. You've been working most of your life, paying into the system, and now it's time to get something back. You're probably realizing by now it's not going to be as easy as you thought. And on top of that, you need to hire an attorney and pay him. So now you may be frustrated by this idea of paying money just to get back what you deserve. I'm attorney Michael Sullivan. I understand this. In fact, all I practice is disability law. So I'm here today to have an open and honest conversation with you about how attorney fees actually work in these cases. First, contracts of employment and Social Security, they're called fee agreements. So for this type of legal work, any agreement to hire an attorney must be in writing. In fact, there's actually several forms Social Security is going to want for me to represent you. Now remember, federal law will control on the amount of the attorney fee. In almost all my disability cases, attorney fees are contingent upon winning. This means there's no fee unless I win your case. The attorney fee itself, it's 25% of the back pay up to a maximum of $6,000. The SSA will always retain the authority to approve the attorney fee. They will usually just approve the fee and pay it directly by withholding it from your past due benefits. And there's procedures to protest the fee if you want, but for most cases the fee withholding and payment process works pretty seamlessly. I can tell you that in my 25 years of disability work, I personally have never sought a fee in excess of $6,000. One thing you might be wondering, if a disability benefit attorney takes money from your back pay, what about your monthly checks? In a contingent fee contract, we never touch your monthly disability checks. Now remember, this video has been all about fees. In the next video, I'm going to talk to you about what the costs that can be incurred in getting your disability case approved. I'm attorney Michael Sullivan. Call me anytime with your questions. If you have any questions about your particular case, anything that might revolve around what kind of proof you need, remember, when in doubt, call your lawyer. I'm attorney Michael Sullivan. Let me know if I can answer your questions.